everyone, and welcome back to the workshop. I've got this Master Lock combination lock. It's a model 176. Haven't had one of these in my shop yet, well, thanks to West Coast Picks, he sent this to me last time he sent me a package. And, well, this is actually the last lock in that package. I think. Nope, there's one more in that package. It's Medico. Yeah, I'm not up to the skill of picking Medicos yet. I've not really practiced. Spent far too much time picking multi-locks. Anyway, I've been playing around with this one. I haven't really found out a way to bypass it. I can get my shim in here, but can't really actuate anything. I'm sure I could probably feel the gates when they come around. I might make a new video on that later. But there's a way easier way to get into this lock, and that is by picking it. So, well, I want to show you that the key does work, and it has a little trick. You stick the key in, turn it, it don't open until you push the shackle, and then it comes open. So, a little bit tricky there, but we're going to try to pick it. I'm going to use the top of the keyway. This is a 40 thousandths. Stick it right in there. And I'm just going to go with a short hook from Sparrows and 20 thousandths. There's a nice click. Now this one's a little bit awkward to hold in the hand this way. And that first pin is being blocked by the wrench just a little bit. Okay, let me hold it a little bit differently here. See if that'll work. Yeah, let's try that. I can put some good torque on that tension wrench. Okay, there's a binder. Come back forward. I think that was pin 2. So I'm thinking pin 1. I want to use this steeper hook just to reach it. Well, there we go, missed a pin. That was pin 4. Now we can come back to pin 1. And there we go. We're open, but we're not open until I push in on the shackle. And now she pops open. So a lot easier to pick than it is to decode or try to figure out how to get into it any other way. It does have the spring-loaded locking pawl, so it might be shimmable. I mean, the tolerances that we're looking at here aren't that great. There's a pretty good sized gap on both sides when this is shut. I'll go ahead and show that to you. Now, I don't own padlock shims, but I've been thinking about getting some just for this purpose. But just might be able to fit a padlock shim in both sides there. It'll be a tight fit, but it might be shimmable. As far as decoding, I haven't tried yet, but maybe we'll try that in a future video once I get it worked out here. But anyway, there's this Master Lock 176. It was sent to me by West Coast Picks. Harley, thanks for the lock. I really appreciate it. Everyone else, please stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. And as always, if you see a lock out there in the wild and it's not yours, don't stick a pick in it.